Yeah, what's up, everybody? Man, oh, what the heck? Somebody's been opening the boxes, so definitely I'm gonna be late over here. Yeah. That's what it looks like when you're late. It's crazy. Let's see what Matchbot has. Same. Yeah. Man, there's some of the M2s. Oh, yeah, definitely late. Oh well, let's check the M2s. Maybe there's something. And the other day I have found like one of these cars, which was in like a metallic color. I think it said like a limited I don't remember. It says something like collectible or rare or something like that. So I'm thinking Disney is also doing the limited treasure hunts. But these ones look fairly new. The M2s, which I'm not really like into the M2s. But now I can. For a minute, I thought this was a chase because of the wheels or the color, but nah, it is not. They have this one, some like tow trucks. Yeah. The cool thing is that these are like 1/64 scale. That's the cool thing about these things. This one is sort of nice. Ford. I don't know. It's already looking like a bust. But this one is nice. I mean, hopefully I'll find something. That way this is worth showing in the video. VW. And this one is a Chevrolet. The Apache. Very nice. And another one just like this one right here. Well, let's pass them over, I guess. This one is nice, actually. It's got broken pieces though. That sucks. There's another one just like it. Man, so these are auto trucks. So they're like the same theme, because this one was a ground pounders. Oh man, this one also looks like a chase, but we'll get to it in a second. I don't think it's a chase though, and if it is, I'm not liking it. Yeah, let's see what's in here. Yeah, they're pretty alright. But yeah, they're just regulars. Man, I'm gonna check these ones real quick because I got a feeling it's gonna be a bust. Challenger. I don't know much about the muscle. I think these are mostly like muscle cars. I'm not a big fan. This one it has a like a different paint job, but it's still 68,000 or 6,800. There's some more back here which are like loose. 58, 68. This one says 58, 58, 58, 58, 68. Look here. Eliminator. Yeah, they're just pretty much repeated. This one is that one. Yeah, this is not a 164. I don't think these are 164 because this is like. Yeah, it says it's 164, but this thing was huge. The Bruiser. And there's another one, which is not a chase. Man. Well, let's just check this last box. Which is the same as that one. This is Shelby. This one is Mercury Cougar. This one right here is the Chevrolet 150. Yeah, so these are pretty much repeated. This one is there's 3 of these ones right here. 68. Which one was it? It was something like this. I think I mixed them up already. I'll put it in pairs. I don't know what this one went with. Yeah. And there's this one. Oh, snaps. I think this is a chase right here. 750 pieces. And 68. This is a 1970 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. And 1970 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. Oh, snaps. So yeah, this is a chase. I'm not too hyped because I didn't even know there was. I almost skipped it. Not really my thing. I'm not really into muscle cars or American cars. But shoot, I better take it. Probably somebody out there might have a Super or a Hot Wheels that might want to trade. I don't know. I'll have to check up with my bro. Maybe he likes or he's into this type of cars. I personally don't like them, but it could be a good trade. How much are these things? Because I know I got one which was $20. These are either 8 or 9 or 7. I don't know, but there could be a chase here too, actually, now that I remember. Oh man, these are all beat up. There's a 58, 100, 5800, 5800, 5800. 75. That's crazy. But yeah, I am gonna take this thing right here. A Mercury Cougar. And then whoever was here first took all the good stuff. I mean, I'm not saying it's the same person, but all the things up there are monster trucks and all that fantasy stuff, Barbies and whatever. There's a set for Matchbox Ford trucks, Matchbox cars, Matchbox cars. Which let's see what's in here actually. Now I'm curious. I'm not tall enough. Give me a second. Alright, I got it down. Let's see what people leave behind. Well, this is what people leave behind from that set. Caprice and Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz. Well, I just wanted to take a look. Well, there's more of those. And I gotta go home. But yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching. I know I don't sound super excited because I'm really not super excited, I guess. But yeah, let's take a look at this. It's got like a gold details. I mean, it's not that bad, I guess. But yeah, it is what it is, man. I don't like it, but I still found it. We'll probably trade it. Like I said, I'm gonna ask my bro, see what, if he likes it, we'll keep it. If he doesn't like it, we'll trade it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned, alright? Give us a like, and if you're willing to trade this for a super or something that catches our eye, let me know, and we can get that deal going on. So yeah, 707, it's not that bad.
Insert cash or select payment type. Insert cash or select